Hello everyone and happy holidays. Really quickly I wanted to share with you these recipe books that I put together. This one is using a traveler's notebook style, as you can see here. I haven't done a whole lot to it, but I wanted to share it with you anyways. I was going to add in Thicker's favorite Christmas recipes or something like that, and then up here, cookies, and then, different, I'll do a few more. And then I'll have all of my recipes in here for the cookies. And then the next one can be like main dishes and so forth. So that's kind of my idea for this. Type up the recipes on my computer. I'll probably have 2 or 4 to a page. And then do 2 to 4 on the back. And I'm going to have cardstock. I also like to use like colored cardstock. And then you would use bold writing so you can read it, of course. My other idea that I was going to mention, in case you want me to do this as well, this would make a great gift. Definitely would be fun to make a gift for gift giving and then have a couple of your favorite Christmas recipes in here, and then they could include their own later on. Another thing that you could do is to use an app, and I've done this before. It was my October Daily 2015. I used an app to do my journaling. And so you could do the same, have the same idea, use an app, and could use a background that you find on Google, a fun Christmas background, type your recipe on it, and then print it out like that. So I was going to do a few different options like that as well as the colored cardstock. So, and this is just what I have so far. I don't have it completed. And then there's this one here. It's a little bit different. I have my divider pages on here, as you can see, and then I'm using some of these recipe cards that I got from Michael's one year in their $1.50 section, and then you just, on the back, you can write the recipe. Then here's the front and then the back of each recipe. Except for I'll probably turn this one over, but you get the idea. This, you could just use a 12 by 12 photo sleeve, which is what I did here. You could also use one of those mini albums that you find at the dollar store or Michael's in their photo section. They have those photo albums. It's the mini size, and then you can use the sleeves out of those albums and then put those in something like this, and then just have maybe 2 or 3 of those in here, and then you can use the cards or just print them on the computer and type them up, put in your own cards. So there's a couple ideas, and then I just used a Stampin' Up! Punch to add my dividers here. So this is just a fun way that I found to little recipe books, and I think this would be a fun gift giving idea. And so